remember, we're working on budget meals, right? So work on using what you have in your pantry, using what you have in your refrigerator, and combining to make some great meals. Hi guys, welcome back to Kirshner FarmStead. Today we're going to be working on budget meals, cooking from your stockpile. Today I'm going to be preparing beans and things. I'll be giving you a recipe in the description. Make sure you like and comment below. So today, it's a pretty quick recipe, and I'll just jump right in. Alright, so we're going to get the sausage chopped up and start it cooking. Okay. Make sure you have a nice sharp knife. Okay. We're using a Kielbasa today. It makes for a real nice meat to go in the beans. Okay. Now I'm getting the sausage started first before I put the beans in, so I can get a nice brown on the sausage. But it is fully cooked sausage, so it'll be good to go. Next we'll start on the onion. All right. So I am using the same cutting board as the sausage. It is a fully cooked sausage, so that is why I'm not rotating it out. It's all going in the same pot and it's all getting cooked at the same time, so it'll be good to go. So as you can see here, this onion started growing. It is still nice and firm, and it's a good clean onion, so that's why I'm getting it used before it goes bad. It's along the lines of the budget meals, using what you have and making sure stuff doesn't go bad. All right. I like a lot of onions in mine. If you want, you can cut down the amount of onions you use, maybe put half in. One onion is perfect in our family. So I'll get this all chopped up. Now I have the sausage on a high heat right now. I'll get these onions added in there. They can caramelize up with the sausage. We'll give them a quick stir. I'm going to turn up the heat just a little bit, get them browning. While that's browning, I'll talk about some of the ingredients we have. So today, to add sweetness, I'm using molasses. Okay. Now, I know there's some shortages going on, right? So if you don't have sugar available, molasses is a great alternative, and it adds a great flavor to your beans. In today's recipe, we're going to use 2 ounces of molasses, okay? That's the amount I figured out. It's perfect. We're going to use a tablespoon of pepper and salt to taste. Also, some of our fresh freeze-dried garlic. I'm going to throw some of that in there. It adds a really good flavor. But you can use dried garlic or fresh. And then our home canned pinto beans. Check out our video Kirsty just did on canning beans. So check that out. We'll add the link below. Alright, the sausage is starting to brown up here. It's really a quick recipe, and it's good for, coming home after work. Just throw it together real quick. It doesn't take a lot of prep time, and it'll fill you up. Alright guys, so the sausage and the onions are browned up now, so I'm going to add the beans in next, okay? Now, these get canned up. Taking the lid off of these can be difficult at times. Sometimes you need to use a knife or something to pry it up. These beans look great, so we're going to add these in here. Okay. All right. Look at that. Get all the sausage and the onions all mixed together. Get those flavors combined. Okay. Now we'll start to add the ingredients in. I can get that. I'll get the heat turned down. Okay, we'll turn it down to 6. All right, let's get the molasses added in first. Okay. It adds a really good flavor. All right. The garlic next. Okay. Like I said, you can use powdered garlic. You can use fresh garlic. Today I'm choosing to use our freeze-dried garlic. Next we'll add the black pepper. Okay. And salt to taste. All right, now you get this all mixed together. Okay, we're gonna let these flavors just combine and kind of simmer together for a while. Kind of let everything cook in. I added these spices in today. You can change the recipe, you know, whatever fits your family, whatever the seasonings they like. Remember, we're working on budget meals, right? So work on using what you have in your pantry, using what you have in your refrigerator, and combining to make some great meals, okay? All right, and just like that, you have a meal in just 10 minutes. Fully prepped, cooked, ready to go for your family, and it's gonna be a delicious meal that everyone enjoys. All right, folks, well, if you liked what you saw here today, please like and subscribe below, and leave us comments. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know what other budget meals you'd like to see, or if you have any other ideas how to change this meal. All right, have a good night. Bye.